Hey buddy, Luxinda Swirl here. We are going to do another mandala pour. I have come up with an even more elaborate rig than last time, but this way nothing is actually sitting on the canvas. It's sitting over the canvas. So I picked this, I don't know if you can see the pattern. You can see the pattern. It looks kind of cool. Hopefully we'll get some neat pour through it, designs. This is actually a little tray I picked up at a flea market. It usually has a piece of glass sitting here, so the glass pops right out. It's just sitting on the frame. And I thought, well, gee, I wonder if this is going to work. So I have it positioned over my canvas. This is an 8x10 canvas board that I got at Walmart. So this is perched on two bowls, which keeps it above the canvas, so nothing's actually sitting on the canvas. Like last time when I actually had little cup things sitting on the canvas in the corners to hold up my mandala rig. But now I can just plop that in there like that, and we will pour through the design. I'm going to use up my leftover paints from a recent pour. We should have plenty to cover an 8x10 canvas board. So we'll layer a cup and see what happens. Alrighty, let's see what we get through the mandala. Alright, the dripping is pretty much stopped. Tip this off. Aside, put this aside. These out of the way. I am going to help things along with some white. Ready? And now we tilt. That is beautiful. I love the little rosettes that some of the holes produced and the longer lines that other spots produced. That is just gorgeous. All right, let me clean up and we will go in for our close-up. Lower left-hand corner, across the bottom, lower right-hand corner, up the right side, upper right corner, and across the top. And upper left corner. And back down to lower left. That's a pretty area there. It's all beautiful. I love these colors. I haven't said that before about a pick a paint pour, have I? Except the first one we did with these same colors. Okay. There we go. Thanks everybody. Stay safe. See you in the next video.